Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background of your product photo in Canva. So here, just like background remover first on your product, and you are going to search for background or product background. Maybe I'll just do like product background here. And as you can see, they give you a lot of options that you can choose from, and you're going to select the one that basically suits your product the most, I guess. Maybe this one, and add it to your canvas here. I'm going to place that in the middle, and I'm going to enlarge this a little bit. You can also just select more, just play around with all the backgrounds that they have. Like that. Maybe add like a shadow underneath the like product, maybe, if you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'll show you like shadows here. Maybe it's in graphics. Just select the one you want to choose, like this one, and place it behind the product and just kind of play around with that a little bit. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.